Welcome to the unit on algebraic expressions, expanding brackets. The objectives for this session are to expand brackets in algebraic expressions. We will now look at how to expand brackets. To find the product of two expressions inside brackets, you must multiply each term in one expression by each term in the other. Let's now give some examples. Pause the video and have a go before proceeding. Press play when you are ready to view the solutions. So let's begin by solving example 1a. Expand the expression shown on your screen. So x times x is x squared, x times 3, 1 times x, and 1 times 3. So all the terms have been added together. Now we tidy up. So x squared remains as it is. 3x plus x is 4x. And 3 also remains as it is. Now for example 1b. Expand the expression highlighted. X times 2x squared, x times 5, minus 3y times plus 2x squared, and finally minus 3y times 5. We interchange the terms to obtain decreasing powers of x as shown. We now solve example 1c. Expand the highlighted expression. X times x, x times y, minus y times x, and minus y times y. We tidy up, so xy minus yx is actually 0. So we're left with x squared minus y squared. And now for example 1d, expand the expression shown. X times x, x times minus y times x, and minus y times minus y. Now let's tidy up the expression. Leave x squared as it is, as there's only one x squared term. Minus xy minus yx is minus 2xy. And finally leave y squared as it is. Now let's expand the expression in example 1e. So x times 2x, x times minus 3y, x times minus 7, y times 2x, y times minus 3y, and y times minus 7. Now let's tidy up. Bring down 2x squared as it is. The xy's can be added together, so we have minus 3xy plus 2xy, giving us minus xy. There's only one x term. There's only one y squared term. And there's only one y term. So here's our expression. Let's now have a look at some more examples. Pause the video and have a go before proceeding. Press play when you are ready to view the solutions. Let's have a go at example 2a. We will do this in parts. So first we expand the expression that's been highlighted in red. So x squared times x and x squared times minus 2. Now we deal with the second pair of brackets as well. So x cubed times 3x, x cubed times 1, minus 2x squared times 3x, and minus 2x squared times 1, to give us the expression shown. 3x to the 4 is carried down. The x cubed terms are added together, so x cubed minus 6x cubed is minus 5x cubed. And there's only one x squared term. Now for example 2b, expand the expression shown. Again, we deal with the x times x minus 7 part first. X times x and x times minus 7. And now we deal with the second pair of brackets as well. So x squared times the second pair of brackets minus 7x times, again, the second pair of brackets. And then expanding again, x squared times 2x, x squared times minus 3y, x squared times 4, minus 7x times 2x, minus 7x times minus 3y, and minus 7x times 4, to give us the expression shown. And now let's tidy up our expression. 2x cubed, the x squared y term, and the x squared terms are gathered together, the xy term, and the x term. Now let's expand the expression in example 2c. Again, expand the first two pairs of brackets first as shown. X times x, x times 3, minus 2 times x, and minus 2 times 3. Then tidy up. Here 3x minus 2x equals x, and the other two terms remain as they are. Now expand. So the first term in the second pair of brackets multiplied by the first pair of brackets. And similarly for the second term. And now we expand as shown. X times x squared, x times x, x times minus 6, 5 times x squared, 5 times x, and 5 times minus 6. And then we tidy up. X cubed, the x squared terms, the x terms, and finally the constant term. This brings us to the end of this session. If you have understood the content of this session, you should be able to expand brackets in algebraic expressions. Thank you very much for listening. For a deeper understanding, do attempt the exercises in your textbook related to this topic.